Today, I'm going to show you on how to build an AI agent on n8n. So once you guys come to the dashboard here, once you sign in to n8n, come to the dashboard. You can either use a free trial, which is for 14 days, or if you've been using n8n for a while, that's great. So once you get to the dashboard, you just click on create a workflow and it shows up here. So let's say we add the first step. So we can add the first step as a chat node so we can chat with it and then create the AI agents, right? So once you do the chat, you click on the plus sign, get the AI agent ready. We can name this as research, and we have the chat input. We don't need to change this, but we click on options, click on system prompt. So I have a few ready already here. So I would just copy this and I would paste it here. Now we can see if I go to the expression and open this up, we can tailor to our uh, business or a client that we want to do. But yes, we can maybe just use ChatGPT to kind of come up with it and then we can change it accordingly. So once we have this ready, we have to add like a chat model, which is the brain. So we can say, I'm using open router because you can use multiple in one. And yes, so once we have this, we can just say maybe trends in. So once we can see that this AI agent is has received the message, it's going to do some research and get back to us. So let's wait one, and it's done. That's quick. So if you click here, on the right hand side, you can see that the message has shown up, right? The research summary. So we can even see it even in this output if, let me try to open this. Yeah, so we can see the research summary that's here, the key findings that we had asked, support evidence. It's looked at some of these sources, useful stats and numbers, competition and market examples, tools and platforms it's used, trends. So it's used quite a lot for us. So say we want to get this and analyze it a bit more and getting into maybe a LinkedIn post, for example, right? So once we do this research, we have another tool that we can call as an insight in analyst agent. So we create another AI agent, call it an analyst. We need to change this to the defined below. As you see on the left hand side, we need to drag and drop. That's about it. Now the system prompt. Let's go back here. Let's copy the system prompt and let's add it here. And let's execute the step. See, we can see the reasons are working because there's no chat model for the brain. So that we need to add. So let's add open router. And now it should work because it has like the chat model. So once we have this insights, we can, while this is working, we can create the writing agent. The same. So just add it here and just say writing agent. Change this to the output here that we need. And we can maybe say write. Once we have this, we can go back, say another system prompt that we can use ChatGPT to use this, get the system prompt, upload it here. Make sure you have the model or the brain. Once this is done, and yes, now then if you want to connect this to maybe our Gmail or Telegram, it's simple. So we just click on the Gmail node Click send. We can change the type to text. We can say social media content, and we will add this once we get to the next step. So now we execute this. So it will write according to maybe LinkedIn, Instagram, and X, or maybe anything else it could add. Once we have that, it'll finish. We can see the next node, send it to our Gmail, and then we can take a look. So the reason we are having three AI agents is that we don't want one AI agent to do all the work that may not give you the best output. That's the reason we have split this into three. One is the research, then one does analyst insights, and one does the writing and sends it to us. This will be very useful for anyone that wants to get AI agents and get content out there. This would be like the best method to use. So let's wait for this to get done. Then I'll connect the next Gmail and let you know. As we can see, it's finished. So let's click on the Gmail and let's drag the output and keep it here. We can maybe remove this and now we can click on execute. Then it should come to our Gmail. So let's go take a look at it. Let's refresh. And yes, so we have the social media content here that we can paste. So it gives you what the LinkedIn post, it gives you a short summary first. LinkedIn post, X or Twitter, Instagram for like casual copies that you can use and post. Gives you a short video form of script that you can create. And yes, this is so if you want to remove this, what we can do is we can go back to our Gmail node, click on option, append n8n and switch this off. I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I hope you got to learn something from it. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you until next time. Pranav automates.